Hi everyone, hope you are doing good today. So I wanted to walk you through a good website which is available. So it's called DistroWatch. Okay. So if you are a Linux enthusiast or if you want to learn Linux, know more about Linux, so this is a good website which keeps track of all the Linux distribution, almost all. I cannot say everything, but most of the Linux distribution it keeps track of. So this is the website which is called DistroWatch, distrowatch.com, and this is the website. And if you can see here, page hit ranking. So this shows like which operating system, like which Linux operating system is being the page like hit mostly. So according to that, it decides the order or ranking. Okay, so nowadays you can see like Catchy OS, Mint, MS, Endeavor, Debian, Pop OS, Manjaro, Ubuntu. These are on the in order of ranking according to the hits. Okay, hits. Okay, so in last 6 months, if you can see, uh, there are different options here. So last 7 days, if you can see. So let's see. So it's changed. Catchy OS is on the top. So mostly nowadays people are searching for Catchy OS. And if I talk about other things here, so this is the new opinion review. Okay. So these are the different options you can read through news and headlines, what is going in news like related to different Linux distributions. So that you can read here. News article search. Okay, so here you can search about the article. Suppose I search something about Debian, Debian. Okay, so these are the different things you can learn about Debian. So like this, you can search here. Okay, so there are other option project ranking by rating. Okay, so this will show big Linux artics average rating 9.6. Let's see what the Linux is. So this, okay, great. Wow, this looks great. So I'll create a video about this install system. This looks good. Okay, something like I can say we have a desktop version like this, mostly in Apple and all. So we'll see. So this rating has so it's based on Manjaro, Brazil originated. So there are different details for this. So here you can see the rating according to number of votes and all. Okay. So packages we track. So these are the packages which are available for Linux. Okay. Package management. Okay. So these are the different things. Okay. You can see. And package, so yeah, these are the things. Then if you have any distro, you can also build a Linux distribution and you can update it here. You can submit your Linux distribution. If you click random distribution is called. This is Ubuntu Cinnamon. This looks great. So basically these are the things. Here you can find the beginner's guide for operating system, what is operating system and all. So you can go through this, read through this. Okay, tips and tricks. Let's see. Basically I'm flowing like sailing through this phase. So just to show you what different options are there: upload torrent, distro verification, distro watch. About distro watch, let's see what it says. So what distro watch is a website dedicated to talking about the reviewing and keeping up to date with the open source operating system. Okay, basically it keeps tracks of operating system which are open source. And the site particularly focus on Linux distribution and flavors of BSD. Okay, so you can learn more on this, what it is and all. This is a very good website if you are a Linux enthusiast and keep keep yourself, if you want to keep yourself informed on different distribution and what new distribution are coming, what rankings are going on, like these kind of things, you can learn from here. You can keep track of it. This is a good website, so please do visit and let me know how you liked it. So if you like this website or not, and so was it useful for you? Thank you. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye. Take care.